Hello friends, welcome to Vidyatech. This is Sai Prakash. Today's topic is about multiplication of two digits number in 2 seconds. Friends, we find very difficulty in multiplication of two digits with two digits. So we have come up with this video, friends. For this, you have to know just 1 to 9 tables and this method. Friends, which makes you easy in doing multiplication. Friends, please follow the classes regularly and watch this video until the end of the session. Coming to the topic, multiplication of two digits, I am going to multiply 26 times 32. Okay. For variation, I am going to take is 2, friends. Okay. 6 times 2, I will get 12. Whereas 2 times 3, I am going to get 6. Over here, 2 times 2, I am going to get 4. And 6 times 3, I am going to get 18. Okay. I am going to add this up. 22 is to 12 is to 6. Okay, I am going to take only one digit. 2, 1 forward, 23. 2 is going to be forward, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 832. Okay, friends, we have other playlists also. Please go through the links in the description below. Okay, coming to the topic, I am going to do 72 times 83. Okay, I am going to take is 2 for the variation or to make the difference. Okay. 2 times 3, I am going to get 6. I am dropping it over here. Okay. 7 times 8, I am going to get 56. And then 7 times 3. 7 3 is 21 plus 8 2 is 16. Dropping it over here. And I am going to add these two. Okay. I will get 37. Okay. It's to 6 is to 56. I am taking only single digit, friends. Okay, 6, 7. I am forwarding 3 over here. I will get 59. 5, 9, 7, 6. Okay, I am going to do another multiplication also. Just make it clear. 56 times 42. Okay, 6 times 2. I am going to get 12. Okay, 5 4 is 20. I am writing it over here. And 5 2 is 10 plus 6 4 is 24. Okay, I am adding up, friends. 34 is to 12 is to 20. Okay, I am taking only single digit. 2, I am forwarding 1 over here. I will get 34 plus 1 equal to 35. I am taking 5 and forwarding 3 over here. I will get 20 plus 3, 2352. Friends, the value for 56 cross 42 is 2352, whereas value for 72 cross 83 is 5976. Okay, friends, now I am going to do 36 times 76. Okay. For making the difference, I am going to take is 2. Okay, 6 times 6, I am going to get 36. Okay, 7 3 is 21. 3 6 is 18. Okay, 7 6 is 42. I am adding these two. Okay, 60 is to 36 is to 21. I am taking one digit over here. 6. I am forwarding 3. 60 plus 3, 63. And I am forwarding 6 over here from 63. 21 plus 6, I am going to get 27. I am dropping it over here. 2736. Okay. Friends, value for 36 cross 76 is 2736. Okay. Friends, now I am going to do 83 times 32. Okay. 2. 3 times 2 I am going to get 6. Okay. Over here. 8 times 3 I am going to get 24. Okay. 8 2 is 16 plus 3 times 3 I am going to get 9. Okay, 16 plus 9 I am going to get 25 to 6 is to 24. Okay, I am taking only one digit over here, 6. I am dropping 5 and I am forwarding 2 to 24. 24 plus 2 I am going to get 26. 2656 is the value of 83 cross 32. Friends, now I am going to take 56 times 23. Okay, 6 cross 3 I am going to get 18 Okay, over here 5 times 2 I am going to get 10. Okay, 5 times 3 I am going to get 15 and 6 times 2 I am going to get 12. I am adding these two, I am going to get 27. Okay, is to 18 is to 10. I am taking only one digit over here, so 8. I am forwarding 1 to 27. 27 plus 1 I am going to get 28. 8 over here and forwarding 2 from 28 to 10. I am going to get 12. 1288. 1288 is the value of 56 times 23. Okay. Friends, now I am going to take 97 times 89. Okay. It's 2. 7 9s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81 over here. Plus 7 8s are 56. Okay. 56 plus 81 I am going to get 137. Okay. 63 from here and 72 from here. Okay. I am taking only one digit, so 3. I am forwarding 6 to 137. 137 plus 6 I am going to get 143. I am dropping 3 over here and forwarding 14 to 72. I am going to get 86. 8633 is the value of 97 cross 89. Okay. 78 times 67. Okay. 7 8 are 56. 7 6 are 42. 7 times 7 I am going to get 49 and 6 8 are 48. Okay. I am going to get 97 from here. I am going to get 56 down and over here 42. Okay. Friends, I am taking only one digit, so 6 over here and forwarding 5 to 97 I am going to get 102. I am dropping 2 over here and 10 forward to the 42. 10 plus 42 I am going to get 52. 5226 is the value of 78 times 67. Okay. Friends, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.